This is Paul. Yeah, I'm just sitting here. I sent uh, I sent a few emails this afternoon, a couple thousand of them, and kind of had mentioned about the whole having to insure those that are cities and counties and states. And my concern is there seems to be a reluctance to take seriously the laws of the United States. I remember once I'd sent an email to those that are notaries. I said, when you notarize any sort of document and the state laws have been violated and the Constitution of the states hasn't been enforced, it could be that I might need to sue every notary everywhere in the United States. Now, when you really look at notary laws, a notary actually has to notarize the signatures. Now, I'm not quite sure if it's the oath, but as I remember it, to notarize a signature, you have to provide 2 pieces of identification. And I know for a lot of people, there's the oath of the notary. Now, some documents that cities and counties and states have that has to be notarized, witnessed, because of the official seal of a notary, and they don't just hand those things out. I mean, notaries have to go through a specialized training, and then they have to swear that they will only notarize documents that they have the legal right to notarize. Now, if I could just get the notaries in every city, every county, and every state of the United States, it seems like somebody's been notarizing signatures of non-human beings. And as I told the notaries, I said, well, when I get done suing every state of the United States because their elected oaths of office would not enforce the Constitution of the United States, you notarizing any documents that are dependent upon the laws of the United States being enforced, I'm going to sue you, every notary. Now, I just want to know, every person in the nation that is or has been a notary for the last 40 years, what their notary oath says. Now, I have quite a few documents in those drives, and I did a real thorough study of exactly what it means to be an oath of office, what it means to be a notary and have the office of a notary. Now, I don't know what person thinks that you can violate the civil rights without it affecting every oath in the nation. And I've been through the oaths because an oath is enforceable. A lot of people disagree with the belief, the thought, the whole idea that you could get elected to office and you could violate your oath, and that would cause notaries to violate their oath. Now, who is it in the United States that thinks that you can violate the constitutional rights of Americans? You can issue protection orders where there's no signature of the petitioner, though the instruction form says you got to sign the document. Where the instruction form says the law requires that there has to be proper and timely notice, and there must be notice and opportunity for the respondent to be heard. Where there are numerous federal laws that say that the due process rights of the respondent have to be protected. Now, when I get done going through every notary that has had to notarize every document, I'm going to find out if notaries have been notarizing what is not real human signatures. Now, for the fish family that thinks they're not going to enforce the laws, I just want you to understand. I've spent years studying what the law says.